super clean, and let's go through it. Let's do a recap together. You can see on H1 external market structure, the market was moving down, you can see. So we had our last break of structure to the downside, then we had a break of structure to the upside. So the market shifted bullish, bearish, no, bullish, it was bearish, then it shifted bullish, right? Had our break of structure to the downside, then we had our external structure, change of character to the upside. So we had our continuation break of structure to the upside, you can see it, and then we had our liquidity sweep. You can clearly see that. Then when you go on 15 minutes, I had to take this trade, but it was very, very, very complicated because of the price action and the time. So it was a Monday, then we didn't get a trade on Monday, then we came on Tuesday, then we had our change of character to the upside. The market changed back to bearish external structure. Automatically then we had three supply zones, right? If you remember my previous video, we had the first one, which was here. We had the second one just up here. Then we had the third one just here. So we had this one, this supply zone, and we also had this extreme supply zone just up here, and we had also this supply zone just up here. That's down here. Had this also, this supply zone here. So we had to wait for the price to come back to that supply zone and to see if we get our entry confirmation, right, from here or here. So we had to be patient. Then the market just came, disrespected this zone. Then this zone, at that time, it became invalid. Then you can delete it. Then we focus on this one, right? We focus either on this one or on this one up. So we had this tap, you can see, we had this tap. This was our entry confirmation. We had that tap, you can clearly see. We had that tap, and then a continuation. So it's very simple. You had to go to 15 minutes to get that entry confirmation. And our 15 minutes was very, very simple. You had to take out this. But sometimes for better risk to reward, you can even move to 5 minutes to see that, right? But for me, I used that 15 minutes. So I had my entry just here and my stop loss just above this. You can see 11 pips stop loss. So we had to target the next swing low, which is this one. Next swing low. The next swing low. And we had our protected high, which was here. Our swing high. And we had a good risk to reward, 1 to 5. It was very, very nice. So we had to be patient and to wait for that confirmation, that entry confirmation. But before you take this trade, you have to understand the context behind the trade. You have to be patient. You have to understand your risk to reward. You have to understand your risk management plan and your trade management plan. It's all very important. At what time you're going to take the partials, at what time are you going to take the entries, at what time are you going to take this, you're going to take that, right? It's very, very, very important. You don't just rush in and just take a trade blindly. You have to have a clear plan before you take any trade like this. Then after taking such trades, you have to understand, what's my target? We have 3 targets. We have this one, the first one, which is this one, and have the second one, which is this one, right? You can clearly see we have that one, and we have also this one. So you don't have to be greedy to hold till the market goes up, goes down. No. You just have to be patient, and you take out what is necessary. So our first take profit was here, and our second take profit was just below here, below this liquidity here, right? With a nice 7 risk to reward. It was very, 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 very clean. So We had to be patient. The market came back, tagged us in. Then we had to wait. The moment the price came here, we had to put our stop loss to break even. Then we just leave the price. We just leave it just to run. With trade management, you take out some partial profits like 20%, 10%. Then you just leave the market to do its thing, right? The moment you trade your fears is the moment you're going to live your dreams. Okay, guys, that's it. Peace out.